The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has appeared on Geekbench, giving us a first look at its performance and hardware improvements. The model number SMS938U suggests this is probably the version that will be sold in the US. The benchmark results for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra show a notable improvement over its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. In single-core performance, the S25 Ultra scored 3069 points compared to 2143 points for the S24 Ultra. The difference in multi-core performance is even more impressive, with the S25 Ultra reaching 9080 points, significantly higher than the 6696 points of the S24 Ultra. These results suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will offer a considerable boost in speed and processing power, making it a strong contender in performance-heavy tasks. Another interesting comparison is between the new Galaxy S25 Ultra benchmark and recent tests of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, according to Tom's Guide. The iPhone scores around 3,400 in single-core and 8,300 in multi-core benchmarks. As usual, the iPhone outperforms in single-core performance but falls behind its Android rivals in multi-core tests. There's definitely a noticeable increase in power with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, despite the phone becoming even slimmer. Leaked renders reveal that Samsung's latest flagship will be slightly narrower than the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Interestingly, the S25 Ultra will also return to rounded edges, moving away from the sharp, angular design that has defined Samsung's Ultra models for the past few years. This change in design, paired with the performance boost, suggests a sleek yet powerful device. In addition to the performance details, the Geekbench listing also reveals a few other specs. The model tested had 12 gigs of RAM, the same as last year's Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, it's important to note that this doesn't mean all versions of the S25 Ultra will be limited to 12 gigs of RAM. There could be other variants offering different configurations. The tested Galaxy S25 Ultra model was running Android 15, which suggests the phone will likely receive OS updates up to Android 22. This is great news for long-term software support. The Geekbench listing also shows that the Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm processor with a maximum clock speed of 4.19 GHz, based on the ARM v8 architecture. This means it likely won't feature the rumored Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, if the leaked details are accurate. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.